Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I'm back with another Creative Memories unboxing. The next three little boxes are the result of my Crop and Connect. But I wanted to share with you because it is a current promotional that is coming out. It is fantastic. One of the ladies who was at our Crop and Connect, who flew in for it to be a special teacher, made the video. So, Debbie, you did a great job. And thank you so much for coming to our Crop and Connect here in Texas. So, alrighty. There is a new promotional. Hold on. I'm trying to get to it. Oh, goodness gracious. Ugh. So, here it is. Here's everything. My back is out. If you guys didn't know that, it's out today. So, I'm just trying to get everything filmed so I can share with you guys. So in this particular order, I ordered the things that are phasing out. I ordered things for our granddaughter's album that we will keep, that will be for us to treasure, and I just thought, yeah, okay. So, but first, what I wanted to share is if you ordered $150 or more, which this is very much a blessing because of somebody else. Well, let me show you what I ordered, and then I'll share with you what the bonus was. Yeah, it was I think it's like $68 for free. Yes. So here are the Thanksgiving. I love these. They're phasing these out, and I love these. These are beautiful. I know we'll have more coming, something beautiful coming in, but I really love this set. It's very foily, and it's very coppery, which is really my thing. I love rose gold and copper. So, and then I also picked up more of the Blend and Bloom. I love this paper line. It is so beautiful, soft, and I'm going to use some of this in my my journaling. So I thought this was really, really beautiful. Isn't that pretty? And I love everything from the embellishments, the little, what do they call those? What are those called? I don't know, like dots, you know, enamel dots, and then the papers. I love it. They're gorgeous. And this one has 44 die cuts plus all the dots. Beautiful. Okay, and then I ordered more Blend and Bloom. Oh, you know what it was? It was one big kit. That's why. It was one big kit. And it was a really good deal. And they're phasing out the big kit. You'll be able to order these individually, but anything Blend and Bloom, I'll show everything. So there's I love the green laser cut. These are gorgeous. They are beautiful. They're cut perfectly. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay. I'm going to pull this to the side and this to the side. I'm going to finish with the Blend and Bloom. So here is the flowers and more sticker rhinestones, halfback pearls, hearts. These are gorgeous. And look at the flowers. You can just layer these up and they are beautiful. So this one has 36 flowers, 21 gemstone stickers, and 21 pearl stickers. So that is a lot of stuff. Okay, let me see here. Okay. And alright, so I ordered this I think was part of the big kit. So I love these. I've had these before. I love these. These are fantastic. These are border stickers. You get 3 pages of them. And here's what comes in right here. And these are so easy to use on pages, on journals, on cards. They are fantastic. And I love this one because you can use the little hearts out of the center. See, you can't see it because it shows that they're white, but they're really pink. So you get pink hearts too. I know, I'm cheap. But anyway, so here's the Blend and Bloom green paper. So there's 3 different, I think there's only 3 colors. I can't remember. I have to check. But isn't the green gorgeous? I love it. Look how beautiful it is. Okay, so there's that. Here is the blue. And that's what I ordered for a little person in my other room right there. So you get 12 sheets of each, double-sided. Very beautiful. I love the cloud paper, and I love the gingham. They're so beautiful. But look at that orange. And I would never put orange and blue together, but that really is pretty. And then, of course, you know I love the pink. So, very beautiful, very subtle, very light. It'll be great in our album for our little granddaughter, and I even love the pink and the gray together. It's so pretty. And there's so much of the kids' clothes right now. Like when I go look at things at Target, pink and gray are always together in the baby clothes. It's a very interesting combination. So very beautiful. Now, speaking of baby, so my daughter said, hey, we're going to be doing woodland animals. And I said, oh, I better get on that because they're phasing that out right now. So I ordered some of that, but I really love the little lamb line with Creative Memories, so I ordered the embellishments, tags and cards, and of course I love the butterflies and all that. There's 40 die cuts. So pretty. We are really having some lighting issues here. Sorry guys, but I love the little lamb. And let me see here. I ordered the cards. So there's a llama in this one. That's why you know I had to order it. So it's lambs and llamas. What can I say? I'm hooked. And I love this. It's so beautiful. So these are just the journaling cards, or they call them variety mat pack. You can, you know, mat your pictures or you can journal. There's journaling cards in there. So I love this. Okay. And then, let me see. I ordered the Little Lamb Girl pages. So it goes with that particular set of stuff. Okay. And sorry, my daughter's coming through. And everything just tipped over. Bummer. That's not good for the back. But okay, it'll be good. Yay, thank you. Anyways, I thought these were all just so beautiful, so delicate, so pretty. And yeah, I just thought that would be, oh, it's just, but anyway, so you can see that. So these are pre-done pages. I literally lick and stick the pictures on here, add a few embellishments and stickers, and they're good to go. I always get these. I know. You're going, but yeah, you teach it, and it's like, yeah. But I also know my limitations when I don't have time to do things. So I did pick up some of the Woodland Whimsy Girl, so I will do a card out of this paper because I thought it was so cute with all the little animals in it. So you've got the little deer and the little squirrel and the skunk, and I think there's a fox in the boy set. It's so cute. So, and then I also ordered an additional Little Lamb Girl paper pad. So very sweet, very pretty. Thank you to my friend who's making all these possible. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate you. I feel really badly, but thank you. And anyway, so she wanted me to get some of these. Okay, so right now if you order $150 or more, you get $68 worth of free stuff. So I got this beautiful bag. It is so pretty. And it has, oh, look at the arms on it. These are so cute. Oh, and you get an album. I forgot about the album. Fun. So, okay, so the bag is gorgeous. It is a darling tote with a pocket. And yeah, that is cute. That'd be a cute, like, even purse for the fall. How cute is that? Alrighty. And it'd be cute, like, Christmas gifts. Yeah. Ooh, look at this one with the, oh, I love that. It has the foiling. I don't know if you can see that. That is gorgeous. And kind of that reddish burgundy. I'm going to have to look at my daughter's, our youngest daughter's school colors and see if it'll go with that. But anyways, so I digress. Let's stay focused here. I'm packing up the box to go out. Oh, and this matches beautifully. That's right. So you get this designer 12 sheet paper pack, and it's gorgeous colors. You can't get this. You have to do this. It only comes with this promotional, and it has all these, so it matches the tote. It matches the colors of the album. Oh, it's so gorgeous. Thank you, Creative Memories. So this is, oh, look at that. This is $68 free on top of if you order $150. So it's worth it for me, very much so, because I have so much scrapbooking to do. But, oh, and I guess also in this, I totally forgot, I did order this. So this is achievements, congrats. These are graduation stickers. I have a son who has finished his master's, so I will be making him a card with this. And then here's the rest of the Full Bloom, so that, you know, that kit that I was telling you, that was a part of it. Isn't that beautiful? But here are all the stickers. So you get one of sentiments, one of stickers, and then one of borders. God, I love the way they do that. Creative Memories is amazing. Just saying. I love, this is one they're phasing out, locally grown. I love this line. I wish it could stay, but I know. So you get the beautiful borders, and then you get the fun stickers, and then you get, like, there's word stickers in there and sentiments and a few things like that. So I love those. And then Little Lamb. So I had to order that too to go with that set of papers. And I love it. So look how beautiful and delicate and pastel, and, you know, it looks lighter here on the page, but I mean, look how beautiful that is. You are my sun, my moon, and all my stars. E.E. Cummings. I love that. That's so sweet. So beautiful borders, and this is the X and then the heart. So cute. And kind of the doily looking, or the lace looking ones. They are amazing, all the different things they do. So, I'm not prejudiced. I just love creative memories. So anyways, alright friends, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I love sharing these hauls and these unboxings, and they're as much fun for me as they are for y'all, because I don't open them until I'm with you guys. So, alright friends, thank you first off to the friend who has been encouraging me and supporting me in all of this, in building back up my scrapbooking repertoire. I mean, I do love to use things that are on sale at Michael's and Hobby Lobby, things like that, and of course I use those, but her encouragement is to use quality papers that will not damage my pictures, because as we went through all my parents' pictures, I could see where things were damaged, either in the hurricane when I was a little girl, or just due to time, or not kept well, or even some that were like in frames, but they had stuck to the frame. So, and she was like, you need to get those now and get those in a really good album. And she's right. So thank you, friend. I appreciate you. And yeah, well, I'm going to let you go. Like, subscribe, share. If you like this video, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Give a thumbs up to say thank you to my sweet friend. I would really appreciate that. In all these creative memory videos, please give a thumbs up so we can say how much we appreciate her and thank her. And all right. I pray your day's blessed, creative, and lovely. I will be talking to you guys soon, and I'll be back with each one of these videos to share with you what's going on. All right, y'all take care. Bye-bye.